The present tense made easy. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the present tense in simple English sentences. You will practice verbs like run, jump, walk, dance, and swim, and see how they change depending on who is doing the action. The boy jumps. The boy jumps. The dog jumps. The dog jumps. The cat jumps. The cat jumps. The girl jumps. The girl jumps. The girl runs. The girl runs. The horse runs. The horse runs. The woman runs. The woman runs. The boy runs. The boy runs. The boy runs. The boy runs. The girls run. The girls run. The boys jump. The boys jump. The girls jump. The girls jump. The boys run. The boys run. The boys walk. The boys walk. The woman walks. The woman walks. The girl runs. The girl runs. The boy and the girl walk. The boy and the girl walk. The woman walks. The woman walks. The man and woman dance. The man and woman dance. The girl runs. The girl runs. The woman jumps. The woman jumps. The man dances. The man dances. The woman cooks. The woman cooks. The man reads. The man reads. The dog runs after the girl. The dog runs after the girl. The boy runs after the girl. The boy runs after the girl. The boy falls. The boy falls. The man falls. The man falls. The man cooks. The man cooks. The man reads. The man reads. The cow walks. The cow walks. The man dances. The man dances. The man swims. The man swims. The girl falls. The girl falls. The woman swims. The woman swims. The man falls. The man falls. The horse runs. The horse runs. The bird flies. The bird flies. The otter swims. The otter swims. The dog swims. The dog swims. And now for the words used in this lesson. Verbs. Jump, run, walk, dance, read, cook, fall, fly, swim. Article. The. Preposition. After. Conjunction. And for the nouns, people, boy, girl, woman, man. Animals, dog, cat, horse, bird, otter, cow. Things, plane. Great job! You've just completed the present tense for beginners with very British English. Now, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, especially if you enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, toodle pip.